Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jocelyn Navarro. I am 38 years old and married. I am Roman Catholic and I am high school graduate and I have four kids. The age are 19 years old, 11, and 7 years old, and my younger daughter, her age is 3 years old. I have six siblings and I'm in the fourth child. I have work experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, year 2016 to 2018. I serve four members in the family, one couple and two kids, 9-year-old and newborn baby. I do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, ironing clothes, and marketing. But my priority is to taking care the baby. I work also here in Philippines as a babysitter for 2 years, from March 15, 2024 to March 15, 2026. I served three members in the family, one couple and newborn baby. I'm taking care of the baby because both of my employers are working. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to have a stable job and better income to support my family. I want to work and stay in Hong Kong as long as my employer needs me and as long as we had good working relationship. I can cook Filipino dishes but I'm not yet with experience in Chinese dishes, but I am willing to learn new recipe from YouTube or any platform. And if my employer teach me, I will grab the opportunity and I will do my best to learn fast. I am willing to cut my hair short. I am willing to accept weekday off. And I am willing to share a room. And I promise I will not use my phone during working hours. I am hardworking, honest, patient, and responsible. And I promise to do my duty and I'll treat your family as my own family with love and care. To my employer, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I hope to see you very soon. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. Have a good day.